Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make some slime. So let's get started. So all you put some glue in. What we're needing today, I'm just gonna make me some white slime. Well, obviously it's gonna probably be bluish because we're using laundry detergent. So I'm just gonna put that much glue because I don't want to use all of it. So I can make this more later on. Yeah. I'm gonna get the laundry detergent. Okay, so the laundry detergent has to be Tide or OxiClean. I have Tide and OxiClean. And it has to be this, because last time I tried to make slime, it wasn't Tide and OxiClean. So, get a mixing tool. Okay, don't pour that much, but it depends how much you have. So, just pour the lines in and start mixing. You see how it comes together already? Just start touching it and stuff. If it's still sticky, don't take it out. Mine's isn't. So I'm gonna just add some more in. Like if it's still sticky and stuff, mine is kinda. So add some more.
I can't see your face.
Don't mind her, she's talking around. Mix it, take it out, and then it should be non-sticky. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial on how to make slime. Thank you.